With this Xacuti curry kit, I'm going to show you how to make a South Indian dish that's made with a coconut and chilli paste. To make it easy, I've included the ingredients that you need. Just grab your fresh bits and let's get cooking. Marinate your main ingredient, meat, fish or vegetables, with bag 1 and a teaspoon of salt for about 15 to 20 minutes. Heat a dry pan on a low heat and add bag 2 for about 2 minutes until the spices are toasted and aromatic. Empty the spices into a bowl and leave them to cool before grinding to a powder. Grind in the garlic and then stir in 20 ml of water to create a thick paste. Heat the oil in a pan and add the sliced onions, then fry for 10 minutes. Once they are browned, add the spice paste and fry for another 5 minutes. Empty bag 3 into a bowl and add about 100 ml of boiling water. Mash and sieve this, saving the tamarind water and discarding the solids. Chop your main ingredient and add to the pan and coat with the spice paste. Leave this to cook on a low heat with the lid on until it's cooked through. Stir in the tamarind water and cook for another 5 minutes. Add some boiling water if you want a little more sauce and add bag 4. Garnish with fresh coriander and whole red chillies.